How to generate funny AI image for free in Stylar AI. Open Chrome. Search stylarai.com. Click Sign Up button. Click Continue with Google. Click New Project. Click Create button. Choose a realistic style. Write a prompt: Elon Musk on rave party drinking water with girls. Click Stylarize. Ahaha, check the results. Again, write a prompt: Elon Musk on rave party sleeping with open mouth with dogs. Click Stylarize. Ahaha, check the results. Again, write a prompt: Elon Musk on rave party dancing with Emma Watson. Click Stylarize. Ahaha, check the results, very funny. Select all images, then click Place on Canvas. Click Export button. Click Export Pics.